The current generation of AI technologies are going to be utterly transformative for all our businesses. The companies that are able to embrace and make productive use of AI are going to see huge productivity benefits, and the companies that don't aren't going to be in trouble. Now, I find a lot of people are talking about how to use the tools that exist today, but I haven't found a lot of people talking about how to strategically think about AI and how to plan out for the changes that are baked into the system already, but we know are coming. I've worked with many organisations from tiny non-profits through to government up to mega corporates, and this workshop is the distilled version of what I've been iterating on since early 2022, when it became obvious that the pace of AI improvement was going to have major impacts on all white-collar work. In this workshop, I covered the recent advancements in AI, particularly around speech and language, because that's the kind of stuff that I do my research in. And I also talk about what you can expect from the next few years, how to work with AI startups and identify who's going to work well with your business, who the major current players are in AI are and what they do, projections of when different job roles will be obsoleted based on our best available knowledge. I demo some off-the-shelf tools that you can easily incorporate into your business. That's not a sales thing, it's just these things are available. And I also like to show some research prototypes so you can get a sense of what's going to be possible in the near future. I always try to make sure I leave enough time for attendees to get deep down into the concrete details of what tasks their staff are doing at the moment that could be automated, and in practical terms, how that automation would happen. You'll come away from this workshop with a real sense of how fast this technology is growing, and you'll have lots of ideas of how to transform your businesses. I'm looking forward to talking to you. Oh, and just to be clear, this is really me talking. This is not an AI-generated version of myself. I do talk about the uses of deepfakes in the workshop, so I thought I'd better make that clear. Yeah, I'm the real Greg Baker, and I have real-life conversations with you about AI.